Good morning, friends. Welcome to one more video of Trade with Edge, our pre-market report. Let's start with today's important news. DMart declared its result, net profit up 4.8%, revenue up 17.7%, and EBITDA margin was down to 7.6% versus 8.3%. Just Dial net profit up 42.7%, revenue up 8.4%, EBITDA margin at 30.1% from 22.7%. Some improvement in margins. Sunteck Realty pre-sales in third quarter up by 40%, but collections are down by 23.3%. This was the quarterly monthly update they put. Nifty, some more pain we can expect today as US market, there was a sell-off. US markets were down by more than 1.5%. SGX is already showing down 180 points. Stocks in FNO Bank, Hind Copper, Manappuram, RBL Bank, Bandhan Bank and LTF. Life insurance companies declared their monthly growth figures. So as per December 24 update, LIC's profits were down. LIC premium collections were down by 41%. HDFC Life collections were down by 5%. ICICI Pru Life were up by 4% and SBI Life up by 15%. So we have to see today how LIC react to these numbers. Biocon, some good news. Biocon's Malaysia insulin facility received US FDA clearance from FDA. Important results today. HCL Tech, so IT major is declaring result today. Himadri Specialty Chemical, Angel One, Anand Rathi, Marathon, Delta and Den Networks. So major, so frontline stock we have only one result today, HCL Tech. So now Nifty reaching an important level. So after Bank Nifty breakdown, now Nifty is about to break down its previous swing support level. So the last panic selling which we have seen where market recovered around 23,200 level, 260 level, and now again we are back to that level. So you have to see how this level we react to this level. I expect some breakdown below the level, some panic is possible in current week. On other hand, we are also reaching an important level of weekly Bollinger Band low, and historically this level has provided a good support, but I can see some expanding in the band. We have to see how deep we can go here. But another concern, we have already discussed this. So मैंने last week भी discuss किया था ये DXY, US dollar against other currencies is strengthening. So US INR हमने already देखा is back to 86 plus level. This is not good. तो जब तक ये rising trend में रहेगा, it won't be good for the emerging markets. Bank Nifty already trading below the breakdown level. Some more pain we can expect. On stock front, HCL Tech is declaring result today, but if you look at chart, it's already at breakout level. So on Friday's market, only sector which was holding on, which saved Nifty was IT sector. All other sectors were down, especially PSE, public sector enterprise, and realty stocks. So results are going to be declared today. It's at breakout. TCS has shown good result and then good performance in stock also. Second stock which is resilient in current market is Uno Minda. So if you see here, a stock is in consolidation mode since almost June month. Now it's about to give a breakout. So keep watch on this stock. Now, if I discuss about some stock which are giving breakdown, our Exide is one of them. After a strong move from 280 to 620, now this is breaking its previous swing low. This is already in corrective mode. Now one more time it's breaking its swing low. So now there is possibility maybe after some recovery, but this is tend to go down. Gale is giving a fresh breakout. So today there are many stocks. So in realty sector, you see in PSU banks, all across we are going to see a many breakdown. I picked few stocks. So currently focusing more on a short trades, on long trades, very selective and with reduced quantity. So not deploying the full capital here. Now let's track the OI changes. More call writing, less put writing. That also concentrated on lower strikes like 23. So people are put writers are shifting to 23,000 level. Some unwinding we can see here because some put writers are already trapped now with gap down. Even these guys. तो गैप डाउन के बाद जो लेट पुट राइटर्स थे या ऑलरेडी जो लास्ट वीक के ट्रैप पुट राइटर्स है, you might see some unwinding by them. So 23,500, 23,600, 23,700, there are some put writers which already left. So we might open at 23,300 today. So if we sustain there, we might see, some unwinding from these guys. Now let's talk about indice view. So view is clear, it's sell on rise and sell only. My strong above level is 23,598. उसके ऊपर ही long trade try करेंगे but with very reduced quantity. And short level is 23,395 which possible है, we already open below that. So any recovery would towards this level would be a sell opportunity. First target for today is 23,280, 260 level, which is our old support level. And below that 23,180 or even 23,100 is possible. So guys, this is our 10th Jan Bank Nifty view which I have given, where our short below level is 49,393 and 49,217 was the target and 48,945 was the next target. We made a low of 48,630. There was a sharp fall once this level was broken. So again, if I see last whole week, all the days levels have worked perfectly fine and they gave a good entry. So even view today is bearish. Week below level is 48,618. Below this, we'll be trying a short trade. Target would be 48,171 and 47,654. But today, if you see a sharp panic or fall of say 2 or 2.5%, or maybe around 700 point in Bank Nifty, be ready for sharp recoveries also, because now we are reaching a high volatile zone. Here, both side volatility could be very high. That was on today's view, guys.